Do you know both carrots and pineapple contain antioxidants, a substance that protects our cells from damage and keep them healthy? Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and today's episode it's about juicing. A lot of us struggle with getting the right nutrients into our system. We're constantly on the top of grabbing quick bites and sipping coffee to get us through the day. And before you know it, you're already feeling tired, sluggish, and run down. Some of us might even be lacking essential vitamins, while others might be struggling with detox and cleansing our body. But the truth is, it's easy to get caught up in struggle and bustle of daily life while neglecting our health. And with this, say no more and let's get into our healthy lives. Do you know that carrots are an essential source of vitamin A, which is very good for vision, immune system, and skin health? They are also high in fiber, which can help regulate the blood sugar level and promote our digestive health. And let's not forget about the antioxidants, which include a beta carotene, which has shown to have an anti-inflammatory properties and protects against cell damage. While pineapple, on the other hand, are excellent source of vitamin C, which is very crucial for immune function and can help fight off infections. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about juicing, because having a juicer is one of the important household you need to have in your house, and I can personally attest to the benefits of carrot and pineapple juice. I started incorporating this into my diet few weeks ago, and I'm amazed at the clear difference it has made. I have more energy, my skin look clearer, and the rest. So let me know if you'll be trying this recipe, what you think about this recipe. Do not forget to watch our other videos. Do not forget to start a healthy living, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.